we are going to implement hopefully from the 1st of July 2010. थोड़ी सी आपको बैकग्राउंड मैं इसकी बताता हूँ कि दिस इनफैक्ट एक्सरसाइज हैज स्टार्टेड सिंस July this year. In that, the government of Pakistan had signed SBPA with IMF. So one of the conditions was that we should also going to impose VAT law from July 2010. And in order to do that, we had an international seminar in Islamabad in September, in which we have invited international experts on law, on VAT law in Islamabad, and our own team of lawyers. And we tracked out that the major problem was the tax to GDP ratio, how to improve that. Last year we were 8.8% our GDP ratio, which is higher than Bangladesh but lowest in the region. And in order to gear that up, it was decided that whether we should study the present sales tax regime, or the distortion and the exemptions included in that law should be eliminated in order to take the benefit of increasing this tax to GDP ratio, or we should go for a new law. And the consensus developed in that conference was that it is better that we should bring a new law, and this law is going to replace the present sales tax, general sales tax law. So this is not a new law, and we have tried and built certain things on the international best practices in this law, and according to our own home circumstances. It is not somebody's copy, and we are going to impose this in Pakistan. So keep that also in mind. And this presentation is what Mia Tanveer is going to show you. It's going to be 20 to 25 minutes, and then we can have a candid question answers on that. And we are going to leave this presentation to you as well, so you can have a core group and study this, because at present this is the law which has already been tabled in the National Assembly for National VAT, and then 4 provincial assemblies and 1 in the Islamabad Capital Territory area. So this is still a bill, and this is not a law, and until and unless these, because the assemblies are sovereign, when and in which shape they are going to pass that, then that would be the VAT law which is going to be implemented. At this point of time, it is still a bill and it is not the law. Thank you.